In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. So we're going to start from our Robinhood app, and in here we're going to click on Receive. And right now we're going to enter Solana in the search bar, and now we see our wallet address, and we can either scan the QR code or we can copy the wallet address to our clipboard. And now we need to go to our Phantom Wallet app to insert this wallet address. So from your Phantom Wallet home screen, you're going to click on Send, and here you're going to select Solana. So allow paste in here. And right now we can insert the wallet address that we get from Robinhood. And after that you can click on Next. And now you can enter the amount of Solana that you want to send. So let's transfer $20 sent and click on Next. And after that you click on Send. And as you can see, our transfer is complete. So now we can click on Close. And now we can check in our Robinhood if the transfer has been completed. And as you can see, the $20 has been added to my account. So that is how you transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.